Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutorials by Nitin. I really hope that you all are doing well. So after so many messages and requests, I am going to make this tutorial for you all guys. In this tutorial we will learn how to make Instagram reel of Photoshop tutorial or any tutorial you can make with the help of this technique or this tutorial. So in this I am using screen recording software OBS Studio version 26.1.1. When you install this, you have to add the display capture. Click on this plus icon and add display capture. I already added this. So after that there is a button of start recording. You can click on this start recording and minimize it. Now I am open the Photoshop. This will take some time according to your system configuration. Now here is the interface of Photoshop. Now let's adjust this according to our reel resolution. Restore it and adjust like this. This is almost our reel resolution. Now create a new document and here is our reel size. (1080 pixels and 1920 pixels height. Now you can start your tutorial. Which you want to create. I am just creating a demo. Okay. After that, after completion of your tutorial, you have to stop this recording and we can edit in Premiere Pro or After Effects. So next part is how we can edit this tutorial in After Effects. So for this time, I am stop this recording. Now I am open the After Effects. I am using 2019 version of Adobe After Effects. This is the interface of Adobe After Effects. Now first you have to create the composition. Go to File, New and New Project. And here you can create a new composition. Width should be 1080 and height should be 1920 pixel. Frame rate should be 30 and duration maximum is 59 seconds because we have to post on Instagram Reels. Hit OK. Here is our composition. Now open your recorded video. Here is our recorded video. Drag into After Effects. Drag into timeline and scale this resolution almost 135%. You can trim your starting part because we don't need this. Here is our Photoshop window. Now for starting part trim, press Alt and curly bracket. And for this screen part, you have to create new solid layer. Make sure color is black and adjust on our unnecessary screen part. If you think your resolution of your video is going to less, you can increase 140%. Even 160 will be good. Here is our recording of our tutorial. And after that, you have to render this. After editing part, you have to render this. Go to File, Export, and add to Adobe Media Encoder. Adobe Media Encoder will help to create a MP4 file. Otherwise, After Effects render its .mov file, .avi. So we will directly render .mp4 file with the help of Adobe Media Encoder. This is our interface of Adobe Media Encoder. In the queue section, our render file will be show within a minute or seconds. See like this, and you have to start play. After that, you have to click this path and your MP4 file will be ready. So I really hope that you all guys have enjoyed my today's tutorial. Please hit the like button, and for any query, comment down below. Hit the subscribe button if you have not hit subscribe yet. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.